Welcome back to the channel. Y'all see this mess I done got myself into? Take a look at this. Well, I had to remove the entire instrument cluster, and some of you can guess what repair is being done. That's right, I'm sure you can guess it because the complete AC housing is out of the truck. Now what we're doing is AC evaporator coil. This thing was weird. A hook came in with no AC, low on Freon, very low on Freon. So naturally we have to add some Freon and some dye to help pinpoint the leak. Well, in the process of adding the dye, coming out of the instrument panel was a mist. And y'all know what that mist is. Basically, it's Freon just coming out. So that means this evaporator coil had a huge leak. Here's the part here. I'm waiting on a new part right now. But you can see all the oil all over it. And, you know, it essentially fills up the housing, and just have to escape somewhere. With the blower motor blowing, it would essentially just blow it out of the vents. So, but yes, there was no way I would have been able to film this showing you how I got the dash out or how I went by doing this. I was so in a hurry to get it out. I wouldn't have had the patience to get it out or to film it anyway. So I'm just showing y'all the byproduct of what it takes to do, say, evaporator coil, or even a heater coil for that matter, because the heater coil is in the same housing. You really have to take the whole instrument panel out to remove the AC box. Okay, so you don't have to take it out to, you know, do anything with the steering wheel or anything like that. It's just all AC housing related. That box right there. Okay, it is behind the instrument panel. So with that being, well, essentially it's in front of the instrument panel. So you have to remove it in order to. Now, pretty much all the hookups are like right in this area. So, you know, if you can easily gain access to this area. It's really not that hard of a job. It just looks like a huge job. So to all you young techs out there thinking about getting into, this is more like trim, man. So I don't really specialize. I do like whatever needs to be done. Long time ago I learned, if you specialize or you concentrate on one topic of the car, you will be left behind on certain other things. So I don't specialize. So if I got a car needing an AC or evaporator coil, anything like that, trim work. Now I don't have a lot of patience as the trim guy have with doing trim work, but if it's kind of slow, I take on the job. So like I say, this is just the end and byproduct of this huge job. There was no way I would have been able to film this. And as you can see, I'm at the dealership, so I can't set up tripods and lights to make it at least look a little professional. I can't set up all this stuff to get it recorded properly. So I just figure I'd show y'all the end results of the removals video.